name is John Bruetsch, Bruetsch. I am the Public Information Officer for Cumberland County. We are in Silver Spring Township, the first block of Irongate. At approximately 8:30 tonight, they had a report of a helicopter crash to the rear of a residence. Responding units confirm we do have a helicopter down, 2 confirmed fatalities. There's not much else we can really release. There's no damage to any of the structures or any of the homeowners, any of the homes. There's a large debris field, but everything else is fine. It's just the helicopter in the yard. At this point, we're waiting for the FAA, obviously the NTSB, and some other factions from the county. What's called the crash team, the CID team, and the county coroners here as well. So it's going to be a long, drawn-out process, as it is with any type crash. But the good news is, although we have 2 fatalities, we do not have any injuries to anyone else. So that is, if there's any good news to take from this, that's it.
Were the homeowners at home during the time
There
of the
were
crash?
people home at the residence, yes.
So
Any idea where this helicopter was coming from, going?
At this point, they have no information. Probably not going to get anything until the FAA gets here.
so we're not sure. Sorry, this is repetitive, but not if it's a medical helicopter, military, or
No, I can confirm it's definitely not a medical helicopter.
not a medical
It is
helicopter.
not a medical helicopter, yes.
And what it could be, like military,
At this point,
it's still unclear.
you have to understand, if you look at the wreckage, it's tough to tell. So until they can actually get in there, dig it apart, find out, check the tail numbers and everything to determine where it came from.
Is there a fire?
No,
when
no
it
fire,
crashed?
no fire, just a fuel leak. Real heavy smell of fuel up there. They did dispatch a structural assignment because they didn't know at the time, so that's why there's all the fire departments here.
Is there anything?
A large field of debris. Is that multiple houses?
It's just there's pieces and parts strewn about. It's not just like one little spot in the backyard. It's over several yards, so
And no word if it's a man, woman, 2 men, 2 women.
don't know.
Okay.
Don't know.
And when does the FAA get here?
They're en route, so when they pull up, it's hard to tell where they're coming from. Same with the NTSB. The county teams have been going by us here as we stand here. So it's just whenever they get here, and it's probably going to be an all-nighter.
How close can we get to get any video?
Right here.
Can we get?
Yeah.
Can we get any closer?
At this point, no. The FAA kind of has standards, and we have to abide by them. So where you're at right now, unless they let you closer, and there's really not a lot to see. I almost walked by it looking for it. So
Is there anything that you want to hear from anyone that may have heard or saw something? Is there any kind of information you need from the public?
well, obviously, if somebody saw something, I'm sure the FAA would probably want to talk to them. They can call Cumberland County on one of the non-emergency numbers, give their name and number, and explain what they saw. And if the FAA determines it's something that they want to talk to them about, I'm sure they'll give them a call.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Are there any pictures of you took?